Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I thought we'd do another video in the beginner series and we'll work on a blending basics video. Yes, like what types of brushes you're going to use, what they do, how they affect your eyeshadow, shadow placement, techniques, things like that. So I thought you guys would really enjoy this, and I chose to do a bright look because bright looks sometimes can be hard, but this one's gonna be easy. And it was inspired by Emily Noel. So first off, you're gonna prime your eyelids just like normal. I'm gonna use the NYX Pigment Primer as well. It stays a bit tacky, so it picks up the shadows very well and they can perform their best. So we're gonna be using the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. We are taking the hottest pink in the palette. I'm gonna put the brushes in the description box and what their numbers are as well. This brush I'm holding in the middle, and it is like a angled, oddly shaped eyeshadow brush. But this brush is perfect for crease placement if you're unsure where your crease should start and end and things like that. Highly recommend this brush, so check the description box. And first we're going to start by kind of patting the shade against our orbital bone there. And then we're going to start slightly bringing it in. And I have my brush kind of, and this is a densely packed brush as well, so I'm holding it closer to the ferrule. And I'm just going to sweep that in a bit, pack at the same time. And I'm got total control of the brush when my hand is in the middle or towards the front of the brush, and so far we have that. So I'm going to clean this brush off. And also, note to self, my 7th grade year self is rocking out to some Stain in Lincoln Park right now. Who else loves Stain still, and possibly even Lincoln Park? I do. So we're taking the hot pink right next to the hottest hot pink in the palette, and I cleaned that brush up, so we're going to stamp that in our outer corner. And this shade's not going to be super visible in the look, but you're going to lay your brush flat down against your lid, also holding your brush in the middle so you have total control, and pat that in. No blending yet, just pat that in. We're just placing colors. So next up, I'm using a flat eyeshadow shader brush, and this is going to be for max packing on color. Get a nice flat dense shader brush, hold your brush in the middle so you have total control, and this is for packing the shades on or placing your shades. Hold your brush in the middle, and look how thin that brush is there, and that I'm just showing you, and I'm going to turn the brush on its side and flick the yellow into the crease to meet that very hot pink we placed down first. Now we're going to take and sweep that yellow over the hot pink in the outer corner there, and in return, kind of doing that over top of each other like that is going to blend at the same time, and the yellow and that hot pink are going to create an orange shade. So we're going to go back in with a crease brush we used, place some more color, and go over the yellow with that pink. In return, once again, it's going to be very easy for that yellow to blend with the pink. It's going to create a nice new orange shade. So far we have that. And we're going to continue on packing on that yellow and blending with the pink to create our orange shade there. I just love how this look came out, so bright and fun. And yeah, all you have to do is go between the two colors you used and keep blending that, keep blending it. Now this is a very nice big fluffy blending brush. This is not dense, it's just very fluffy. You want a very fluffy one. And I'm going to pick up that nice beautiful coral shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the hot pink. Notice the hand placement there, you guys. It is towards the end of the brush handle, and that is less control. So not a heavy hand, you're going to have a very light hand the further back you hold the brush. So if you want more packing on color and things like that, like I said, you need to be in the middle of your brush or towards the ferrule. And if you're going to blend, you need to be towards the end of your brush, almost to the very end of it. And I'm just going to flick that orange shade around the edges there, use like a feathering kind of motion. We're going to use a little bit of circular motion to blend that out, and of course the windshield wiper. And we're going to go in between and add colors and continue on blending that. I hope this video makes a lot of sense. It helps a lot of you with blending issues you might have. And yes, I love how this look came out. So this is just a L'Oreal eyeshadow, and I'm using that to highlight with. The brush I'm using here is an eyeshadow brush. It's a very densely packed eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place my color, stamp it down, and then blend it down just a tad against the crease colors. You need a less dense packed blending brush so you can really get those colors to blend and mesh together. You want the shades to melt together, look like they are one. Wiping away our fallout, we're going to take that orange shade on this very small, very thin little eyeshadow brush, and this could be used for inner corner and lower lash line color placement, which is what we're using it for today. I'm just going to place that shade down there as well. This brush is from WetnWild. We're using the Eye Transformer from e.l.f. I told myself I'm going to make myself start using this more. And we're taking that goldeny kind of shade. Of course, drop a brush of blender out of it. And this is a pencil brush from AOA Studio. I love pencil brushes. They're definitely perfect inner corner placement. And we're going to pack that shade on. See where the hand is? It's in the middle of the brush. So it is definitely ready for packing on the shade, because you have a heavier hand and more control when your hand's in the middle of the brush. And versus, like I stated before, if you're going to be blending and want to blend out around edges or creases, you need to have your hand towards the end of the brush. And we're tight. Oh, I'm using my Unshakeable eyeliner just to do a thin strip of eyeliner. We're going to tight line with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner like always. And of course, I've been loving this WetnWild brow highlighter in my waterline, so that's what we're using as well. And for mascara, we are going to be taking the Benefit Bang Bad Girl Mascara. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to have to give me a full tube. It's awesome. Thank you, Christy, for sending it to me, because it's amazing. And for lips, we're using a Maybelline lipstick Big Surprise number 550 in Honey Pink. I love Maybelline lipsticks, in case you didn't know. And I am loving how this look came out, and I'm hoping it helped you learn how to blend out better or newer techniques. And stay tuned for more beginner videos, definitely, because I have a lot more planned. We're going to use HardCandy Glow Setting Spray. We're going to fan ourselves off. And here is our finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this bright look as much as I did. This is totally summery. And look at that glow. WetnWild Mega Glow highlighters. You need them. And thank you guys always for watching. Let me know if you have any other comments or questions in the comment section below. Check that description box for additional links and product lists. And thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.